Everything is better with butter. But did you know that everything is even better with the right butter? Hi everyone, it's Debbie with Debbie's Kitchen Corner, and today I will be sharing with you 2 flavor-infused butters, one savory and one sweet. And if you're new to this channel, welcome. Just consider subscribing so you can enjoy newly delicious recipes each day. Let's get going.
First, we will be making the honey butter. We need a half a cup unsalted softened butter, 2 tablespoons powdered sugar, a half a teaspoon cinnamon, an 1/8 of a teaspoon nutmeg, and a 1/4 cup honey. Let's start with creaming the butter. Add powdered sugar, nutmeg, cinnamon, and the honey into the creamed butter and mix again. Now use a plastic wrap or wax paper to wrap and form the soft butter into shape. Then store it in the refrigerator. This butter is great for warm rolls, sweet potatoes, popcorn, chicken wings. You know, it almost goes on anything. Now let's make sun-dried tomato butter. Just the sound of it gets me excited for this butter. Squeeze 3 chopped up garlic cloves through a garlic press. Chop up 2 tablespoons of sun-dried tomatoes. And 1 tablespoon of parsley. Again, cream the butter like before. Then add in the parsley, the sun-dried tomatoes, and the garlic, and mix well with a spatula. Again, use a plastic wrap or wax paper to wrap and mold the soft butter. Refrigerate until you use it. This makes great garlic bread. It's great on the top of the steak, great on baked potatoes, and whatever else you can think of. Stay tuned. Soon more flavors will be introduced. If you like this video, feel free to smash the like button. And as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.